Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to kickstart your day with positivity and productivity, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of music in your morning routine. Imagine waking up, the sun streaming in, and the perfect playlist setting the tone for a fantastic day ahead. Sounds great, right? But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your favorite morning tunes. Let's spread some good vibes together. Now let's jump in. 1. The science behind music and mood. First up, let's explore the science behind why music has such a profound effect on our moods. Studies show that listening to music can trigger the release of dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter. This means that your morning playlist can literally make you happier. Music helps in regulating emotions, making it easier to manage stress and anxiety. Starting your day with the right tracks can set a positive emotional tone. Upbeat music can increase your motivation levels. It can energize you and make mundane tasks feel more enjoyable. There's evidence that music can enhance cognitive performance, particularly when it comes to tasks requiring focus and concentration. So, whether you're getting ready for work or studying, the right playlist can help. 2. Choosing the right music. Now that we know why music is so impactful, let's talk about how to choose the right music for your morning routine. Different genres can evoke different feelings and energies, so it's essential to curate your playlist wisely. If you want to start your day with a burst of energy, pop and dance tracks are perfect. They're catchy, fun, and can instantly lift your spirits. For a more relaxed start, consider classical music. Studies suggest it can improve focus and cognitive performance, making it great for a calm and productive morning. If you're looking to reduce anxiety, ambient music or nature sounds can create a serene atmosphere, helping you to ease into your day. Don't underestimate the power of nostalgia. Songs that remind you of good times can boost your mood significantly. Create a playlist that resonates with you personally. 3. Practical tips for incorporating music. Now that you have an idea of what music to choose, here are some practical tips for incorporating music into your morning routine effectively. Create a dedicated morning playlist with songs that inspire and motivate you. Aim for about 30 minutes of music to keep you energized. Different tasks may require different types of music. For example, listen to upbeat tracks while exercising and calming tunes while preparing breakfast or meditating. Instead of a harsh alarm, wake up to your favorite song or a gentle playlist. This can make your mornings much more pleasant and less jarring. If you live with family or roommates, consider starting a morning jam session together. It can be a fun way to bond and energize everyone for the day ahead. 4. Real-life benefits. Let's talk about some real-life benefits people have experienced by incorporating music into their morning routine. Many people report that listening to music helps them stay focused and productive. It can turn mundane tasks into enjoyable activities. Viewers have shared stories about how certain songs have helped them combat morning anxiety and set a positive tone for their day. Some find that music stimulates their creativity, making it easier to brainstorm ideas or tackle complex problems first thing in the morning. 5. How to create a personalized morning playlist. Now, let's dive into how you can create a personalized morning playlist that works for you. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Identify your goals. Think about what you want to achieve in the morning. 1. Is it energy, focus, or calmness? 1. Knowing this will guide your music choices. 2. Choose your genres. Based on your goals, select genres that resonate with you. 2. Mix different styles to keep it interesting. 3. Use music apps. Platforms like Spotify or Apple Music offer algorithms that can help you discover new songs based on your preferences. 3. Look for curated playlists or create your own. 4. Set the length. A good morning playlist should last about 30 to 60 minutes, giving you enough time to get ready without feeling rushed. 5. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new songs and genres. 5. Your tastes may change, so refresh your playlist regularly. 6. Include personal favorites. Add a few songs that always lift your spirits. 6. Personal connections to songs can amplify their positive effects. 6. Great apps for creating playlists. Besides Spotify and Apple Music, here are some great apps for creating playlists besides Spotify and Apple Music. 1. YouTube Music offers a vast library of songs and music videos, allowing you to create custom playlists easily. 2. Pandora. While primarily a radio service, you can create and customize playlists based on your favorite songs and artists. 3. SoundCloud. Ideal for discovering new and independent artists, you can create playlists from a diverse range of user-uploaded content. 4. Tidal. Known for its high-fidelity sound quality, Tidal allows you to create playlists and explore curated content. 5. Deezer. This service offers personalized playlists and has a large music library including Flow, which recommends tracks based on your tastes. 6. Amazon Music. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you can use Amazon Music to create and customize playlists from a large catalog. 7. Bandcamp. Focuses on independent artists, allowing you to create playlists from their music while supporting the creators directly. 8. JioSaavn. A popular choice in India, it offers a wide variety of music and the ability to create playlists tailored to your preferences. 9. 8Tracks, a unique platform allowing users to create and share playlists based on specific themes or moods, focusing on user-generated content. 10. Mixcloud. Great for DJs and music lovers, it allows users to create playlists and mixes from a range of genres and styles. These apps provide various features and music selections to help you craft the perfect playlist for your morning routine. So, there you have it. The impact of music on your morning routine can be profound, boosting your mood and productivity in ways you might not have imagined. As you head out today, remember to curate your morning playlist and see how it transforms your mornings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and share your own morning music tips in the comments below. What songs get you pumped for the day? I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep those good vibes flowing.